Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petite Coding. Was that when I ran the app, right? When I run the app here like this normally, I have everything done correctly here instead of this. When I click here, it crashes, right? And that's because we haven't done some Scene Delegate tests, and we are not being sure that the window is an emblem view controller, right? So let's do this with the tests, and I'm going to add another test here. Not a view controller test. I'll add a new group. Actually, it is a view controller test, but I'll add a new file, and I'll say Scene Delegate Tests. Okay. Exit test. Probably. Also, I'm going to say class Scene Delegate Tests. Scene Delegate Tests from exit test case. Right. So func test do nothing. I just want to get this running. Command U. Okay, and I have a test do nothing here. So what I want to do is here this configure window. I'm going to do a method here of configure window. Configures emblem view controller to scene delegate. Okay. Actually, I don't need all of this stuff, right? So my SUT is this scene delegate right here. And right now, I don't have this, but I can use this testable import emblem app. And now I can use it. And the thing I'm using testable is because I don't want this in delegate. It's only once, and I don't want to be accessed publicly. So if I add this testable import, that's the way I want to do this now, right? Okay, so I'm going to say I have to create a window here, and also I have to create a configure window here, configure window method here, and I'm going to assert true that my SUT window root view controller is of emblem view controller. Okay, so let me see what I'm missing here. Build failed. Configure window. I don't have a configure window in the scene delegate. So let me just get rid of this boilerplate code. That's not needed here. Going to put func configure window. So that should make it. That should make that thing pass. And now I should see a failing test. Okay, and it fails because the emblem data is not as expected, right? So what I'm going to do here now is what I'm doing here on the tests. So on the test, I'm just getting all of this, right? So I'm getting this, and I'll get this bundle. And I'll put this in the configure window. The bundle, UI storyboard, this is the same thing. And this is actually emblem. This is actually the emblem data. So I need to import the emblem date calculator here. So I can use this emblem data here. Right? And now I can say window dot root view controller equals my SUT. And actually it shouldn't be an SUT anymore because this is not a test. And I'm going to change it to emblem view controller. I'm going to change this in every step of the way here. Okay, Command U. The test is now the test is passing. because I have a configure window there. Okay. Shouldn't be passing. So expected root view controller to be of emblem view controller, right? Now this is working, and if I go to the and I run the app, I'm getting now, when I click, I'm getting now the dates that are needed, right? And we can see that the date is not a friendly date, but we will fix that in a moment, okay? So let me just commit and push. So I'm going to say that make sure scene delegate is using emblem view controller. Push to remote, commit and push. Okay, there it is. Also, if I don't do this, if I get this and I comment out the configure window, this test will fail. So you see, I'm testing the configure window method here. Since this is now good, I can use that over there, and then I can do all this stuff. And we have some little refactoring to do, but I'll do that in a moment. Okay, so that was it for this video. What I wanted to show you is that I have to configure in the Scene Delegate the correct emblem view controller, and now we're getting the date. We're not getting the friendly date as we expected because we haven't tested that yet, and we will have to test that in another video. But before that, I want to continue with something about the composers. So I'll see you next time with the composers, and I'll do that in the next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.